Hi folks, welcome to Guarantee RV. My name is Dib, and today we're going to show you this nice Bighorn. It's a 32 RS, and it's a 2019 model. Really nice coach. As we go around here, can't help but to notice this big huge awning. Outside speakers, those are waterproof also. And a big surprise of a big, what I call a basement. And you talk about storage, folks. Look at this. Really nice. Let's walk inside real quick and show you a couple of features. Again, very welcoming, coach with lots of cabinets and lots of storage. Big deal when it comes to that. Look at that. That's your pantry. Pretty nice. Really deep shelving and all that, which is you can adjust. One hub, all your controls in one spot. This way you're not looking around trying to find, this and that. Look at that, more storage. Very impressive. And we look around here real quick. And there's your freezer. Big, huge residential fridge. Really nice. And it's all stainless steel. Nice. Look at this counter space here with your sinks. Again, a nice stove. Look at that, 3-burner stove. Got your oven. Big, huge microwave, look at that. Very nice. More storage as you go into this coach. Look at that. Very handy. Even short people can reach. Big, nice TV with a, fireplace that gives you some ambiance, in a way. But electric heat comes up from here. Really nice couch, rear view. More storage on top. Look at that. I'm not a tall guy and I can reach no problem. Really good. Again, you get your 2 recliners right here. These are power, folks. So you got your massager, you got your power, even the footing there. Nice dinette with 2 more chairs. We store them in the bedroom. Speaking of which, let's go up there and show you this. You can't help but to see this door, how it works. See that, for space. Look, you can come in. It's a motorhome kind of style door. A nice enclosed shower. You got lots of room right there with a coat hanger. Look at that, or maybe towel hanger. As we go into here, very welcoming, really bedroom here with a slide. Lots of room right here and storage. Look at that, folks. And even you got your washer and dryer hookup right there if you would like to have something like that. A clever idea right here, if we can look here this way for the TV, and it slides out. This way you get the view, and if you want to put your TV away, you can just put this mechanism in, you're in, and then all is good. More storage in here. Look at that, an actual closet, and 2 more doors down here. So as you can see, this is really, look at that, USB ports also with some shelves, big deal right here. People love to have that. And as we go outside, I will show you more about this coach. So we're going to take you around so you can see how, the graphics on it, and this big slide right here where the dinette was, if you remember, and the 2 recliners. As you go around with the ladder up here, that means you can actually go up and, check your roof. It's not recommended to be walking on it or anything like that. But, yeah, Bighorn Traveler edition again. One more. His slide. This is the huge slide right here. Nice kitchen behind it, and aluminum alloy wheels actually. And then we have our right here our 6-point leveling. This coach is auto level, so push a button. That's the other side. This is our side of the basement. Also, again, this is our hub right here, your outside shower, hot and cold, all your tanks. You're not gonna go look around for any other levers. This is it. And this is nice. Yeah, well, again, there's a lot to talk about this coach. If you have any questions, please give me a call, 541-515-1237. Thank you.